Building Egypt's $58 billion new city in the sand. Egypt's $58 billion new city in the sand is one of the most ambitious urban development projects in modern history. This vast undertaking aims to create a sustainable, technologically advanced, and economically vibrant city that will not only serve as a beacon of progress for Egypt, but also redefine urban planning and development on a global scale. So let's embark on a detailed journey to discover how Egypt is shaping its future in the sand. Inception and objectives. Historical context. The inception of Egypt's $58 billion new city in the sand project can be traced back to a rich historical legacy of grand-scale construction and development projects in the region. Throughout Egypt's history, dating back to the construction of the pyramids and the Sphinx, the nation has been a hub for ambitious engineering and architectural achievements. In more recent history, the completion of the Suez Canal in the late 19th century marked a pivotal moment, demonstrating Egypt's capacity to undertake transformative infrastructure projects. Addressing overpopulation. One of the most pressing challenges that Egypt faces today is its burgeoning population, particularly in its major cities, most notably Cairo. Egypt's population has been steadily growing for decades, with the UN projecting that it will surpass 150 million by 2050. This demographic surge has led to severe overpopulation issues, resulting in congested urban centers, overwhelmed public services, traffic gridlock, and immense pressure on the nation's infrastructure and resources. Urban planning and design. Sustainable urban planning. The new city in the sand project places an exceptional emphasis on sustainable urban planning and design. Sustainability encompasses a multifaceted approach that addresses environmental, social, and economic concerns. The city's layout incorporates principles of green urbanism, emphasizing eco-friendly transportation options, energy-efficient buildings, and green spaces to mitigate the environmental impact. Smart infrastructure and technology integration. At the core of this ambitious urban endeavor is the integration of cutting-edge technology and smart infrastructure. Egypt's new city in the sand is envisioned as a technological marvel, with a digital infrastructure that fosters innovation, enhances the quality of life, and improves the overall efficiency of urban services. From smart grids and advanced transportation systems to data-driven governance, the city's design emphasizes technological solutions to address urban challenges comprehensively. Economic impact. Job creation and economic diversification. The economic implications of Egypt's new city in the sand are profound. As construction and development progress, the project is expected to generate a substantial number of jobs, ranging from skilled labor to highly specialized professions. Furthermore, the new city is set to attract domestic and international businesses, contributing to economic diversification by fostering industries beyond Egypt's traditional sectors, such as agriculture and tourism. Investment opportunities. In addition to job creation and diversification, the new city in the sand presents lucrative investment opportunities. The project's scale and significance are drawing the attention of domestic and international investors, offering a wide array of investment avenues from real estate and infrastructure development to technology and sustainable energy projects. These investment opportunities have the potential to inject billions of dollars into Egypt's economy, bolstering its long-term economic stability. Environmental considerations. Environmental conservation. The environmental sustainability of the new city in the sand is a paramount concern. The project aims to minimize its ecological footprint through responsible land use and resource management. This includes measures such as efficient waste disposal, renewable energy adoption, and stringent regulations to protect natural habitats and ecosystems. Climate resilience. Egypt is vulnerable to the impacts of climate change, including rising sea levels and extreme weather events. The new city in the sand incorporates climate resilience measures into its design, including flood protection, water management systems, and sustainable urban landscaping to mitigate these risks. These considerations are crucial for ensuring the city's long-term viability and safeguarding against climate-related disruptions. Social and cultural integration. Social inclusivity. The new city in the sand is designed with a strong emphasis on social inclusivity. It seeks to create an environment where diverse communities can thrive. This inclusivity is reflected in the city's infrastructure, which includes accessible public spaces, transportation systems, and facilities for people of all abilities. The city aims to promote social cohesion, foster diversity, and eliminate barriers to participation. ensuring that all residents have an equal opportunity to enjoy the benefits of urban life. Cultural heritage preservation. Egypt boasts a rich cultural heritage that spans thousands of years, from ancient pharaonic civilization to Islamic, Coptic Christian, and modern Egyptian culture. Preserving this heritage is a critical consideration in the New City in the Sand project. Efforts are underway to integrate elements of Egypt's cultural legacy into the city's architecture, public spaces, and cultural institutions. Transportation and connectivity. Integrated transportation network. Efficient transportation is a cornerstone of urban development. The New City in the Sand places a strong emphasis on creating an integrated transportation network that reduces congestion and enhances mobility. Plans include a comprehensive public transportation system, cycling lanes, pedestrian-friendly walkways, and smart traffic management. By prioritizing efficient transportation, the city aims to provide residents with convenient access to jobs, services, and recreational facilities while reducing pollution and congestion. Connectivity to existing cities. The New City in the Sand is not an isolated entity but is strategically designed to be interconnected with existing Egyptian cities, particularly Cairo. A robust transportation network will facilitate easy access between the new city and its neighboring urban centers. Challenges and considerations. Project financing and funding. A project of this magnitude inevitably presents significant financial challenges. Securing the necessary funding to sustain construction, infrastructure development, and ongoing maintenance is a complex undertaking. Egypt has sought a mix of domestic and international funding sources, including public-private partnerships, foreign investment, and government resources. Community engagement and social impact. As with any urban development project, the New City in the Sand must consider the social impact on local communities. Residents and businesses in the project area may face displacement, and their interests must be carefully balanced with the broader goals of urban development. Meaningful community engagement, transparent planning processes, and equitable compensation mechanisms are crucial for addressing these concerns. Egypt's $58 billion New City in the Sand is a monumental undertaking that combines historical ambition with contemporary challenges and opportunities. Its inception, rooted in Egypt's grand legacy of construction projects, is a response to the pressing need to address overpopulation and congestion. The project's meticulous urban planning and sustainable design set a global benchmark for environmentally conscious and technologically advanced cities. In terms of economic impact, it offers the potential for job creation, economic diversification, and significant investment opportunities, propelling Egypt into a more prosperous future. Environmental considerations are at the forefront, ensuring that the city coexists harmoniously with nature and remains resilient in the face of climate change. In summary, Egypt's New City in the Sand is not merely a city-building project. It's a visionary endeavor that has the potential to redefine urban development on a global scale while shaping the nation's future for generations to come. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.